How to transfer a ticket on Ticketmaster. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you can easily open up your Ticketmaster application if you have installed in your device. If not, you can even check out your Ticketmaster website for this. So enter the credential firstly to log in into your account. Once you are in your account, find the order containing the ticket you want to transfer. For this, you need to click on My Tickets option, after which you'll be redirected to all of the tickets that you have purchased. From here in the tickets, you have to check for the option of transfer ticket or send ticket. It could be a share icon as well. Just click on any of the available option or the share option that is for you. Now to choose the recipient, you can select from your contacts or manually enter a recipient. If you select on Select from Contact, you will not have to enter details about your recipient. However, if you select the manual version of it, then you have to add the first name, last name, email or mobile number of the recipient. Also, if you have a note, you can type in here and just select on Transfer one ticket. And if they accept the invitation code, they'll be able to successfully receive the ticket that you transferred. And it's a wrap for the video as well. We hope that you found it informative and helpful to you.